Now, many of you have been asking about Squid Moon. How do I buy this thing? It's a little confusing, but we're gonna make it easy for you. Go to squidmoon.finance. You go to the homepage, scroll to the bottom, you'll see a link to PancakeSwap. Once you click that link, it'll bring you into PancakeSwap. It's gonna tell you about BEP token. Here's the contract address. Click I understand and import. Make sure it's this 02627 number and then 8931 at the end. Hit import. And then if you have BNB, you'll just be able to hit however much you want to buy, say 1 BNB, and it will convert it into USDT to purchase Squid Moon tokens. So the best way to do this is just hit the home page, click on this link at the bottom. Here you are, you've got your BNB, or if you have USDT, you can just buy it directly with that, but BNB works too. Connect your wallet and execute the purchase. Another way to quickly do this, if you don't know how to get to a website, what have you. A lot of people are just on CoinMarketCap, hit Squid Moon SQM, click on that and you'll get the price and everything today. And here at the top is the contract address, 0x27 as a number 4 and then 8931. Just click copy address and then you can go to PancakeSwap directly. Make sure, verify the address, pancakeswap.finance, or it could be, as it says, phishing. If you just go to trade and exchange, and then you go set to BNB or USDT, whatever you might have, and then click on the token, hit manage tokens, click on tokens, and then paste in the address that you just got from CoinMarketCap. I already have it here, so there it is, but once you click that, you can see that's confirmed here on BSC scan, it's the actual address. And then you can choose anytime you come in here to add Squid Moon, and then that will allow you to trade BNB to Squid Moon or USDT, like I mentioned earlier, is the actual pool where you can trade, there it is, $4.13, where you can trade USDT to Squid Moon. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just drop a note on the YouTube thread.